Hello everyone, welcome to Junction. In India, have you ever noticed different color stripes on the milestones while traveling on the highway or on the side of the road? Have you ever given a thought of what these colors mean? Why do Indian highways have color milestones? What are milestones? Milestones are the flat painted stones installed on the sides of the road to indicate how far our destination is from a certain point. These are painted with different colors on the upper strip and white in the lower portion. There are no same milestones on all the roads in India. They change their color code at different places. Now let's see what these color codes mean. The Indian Highways milestone color codes. Yellow and white. Yellow stripe on milestone indicates that the road is a national highway. These are the main roads that connect the different states and cities of India. The central government builds and takes care of such roads. Highway number is written on the head of the milestone. How is the numbering done? For all the national highways from north to south, even numbers are used. It is assigned from east to west in ascending order. For example, NH2 is located in northeastern states while NH68 is located in Rajasthan. For all the highways from east to west, odd numbers are assigned, increasing from north to south. Green and white. Green stripe on milestone indicates that the road is a state highway. These are roads that connect important cities, towns and district headquarters within the state and connect them with national or state highways of neighboring states. These are maintained and constructed by the state governments. Blue or black and white. A blue striped or a black striped milestone indicates that you have entered a big city or a district. These are maintained by the district authority and city administration. Orange and white. These orange striped milestones indicate the village roads connecting different villages and taluk places of a particular district. The Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is also represented by these color codes. There was a time when these milestones were the most reliable source of information about the kilometers you needed to cover to reach your destination. But these are now often getting neglected owing to the GPS-enabled smartphones these days. Hope you found this topic of milestone color codes interesting. Let's make a small project on the Indian Highways milestone color codes.